Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your printer port is in use error you are coming across on your computer and it says please wait. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you really have to do, go ahead and turn off your printer and turn it back on, as well as restarting your computer, and then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. If you're still having an issue, if you try opening up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should go back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. And then select printer, find and fix problems with printing, and select run the troubleshooter. Go ahead and select your printer from the list and then select next. Once that's done, hopefully it would have been able to connect to your printer. In my case, I don't have an issue, so that's why, but hopefully, like I said, this should be able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.